If you wonder if you start talking to your colleagues about this and all your colleagues say, you can't do that, you need to find some new friends. I'm teasing, but not entirely. Surround yourself with people that lift you up, not put you down. And that's what happened there. Lots of great questions, very interactive audience. The most common question was, can I do it here? And here were places all over Colorado. Hey, Gary, I'm in Colorado Springs. There's a lot of dentists in Colorado Springs. Can I do it here? And Naren, you know what my answer was to that, right?
Yeah, I mean, I because you have clients in Colorado, so I know what your answer is.
Yeah. We can do it here because in our coaching work, we've been successful with dentists in every locational environment: urban, suburban, large town, medium sized town, small town, rural, remote, company town, where there's major employers that make it harder to do this because the major employers provide a PPO plan and they're thinking, well, I don't think I could do it here. And my answer was, you can absolutely do it here. And interestingly enough, there were a handful of dentists that were fee for service that attended this to support their colleagues and said, hey, I did it. I did it. And then I actually had two of my clients, Dan and Tracy Hughes, and both of them said, hey, we did it. You can do it too. If we
Right.
did it, you can do it.